everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to charge a Dyson V11 vacuum. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. The Dyson V11 vacuum is actually a battery-powered vacuum. It's a cordless stick vacuum, and that means that you can charge up the battery to use it anywhere around the house, even where there's not an electrical outlet. So how do you charge it? Well, there's one way to charge it, but there's two methods of getting to that way. So I'm going to explain both of them. First and foremost, you need to have the charging end plugged into an electrical outlet. I'm going to pan up over here. As you can see, the end of the charger is plugged into that electrical outlet right there. And let's bring this down over here, downtown. Okay, so now this is the other end of it. And this is the end that you plug into your Dyson V11 stick vacuum. If you look on the lower side of the vacuum, okay, where this part is over here, so look right there, follow it to where the battery is right there. What you're gonna find, okay, follow it to where the battery is, what you're gonna find is a charging port. All that you gotta do is plug it in, and the indicator tells you that it is charging. Okay, really simple. So it's literally that simple, okay? And the other way, that is if you wall mount it, which in most cases that's what you're going to be doing, right? The other way is if you wall mount it, the charger, so this is the wall mount right here. I'm going to be wall mounting this soon, and I'll make a video of myself doing it when the time comes in a few days. You might not see it for a while because I schedule my videos well in advance, but I'll be mounting it in a few days and filming it when I do. So keep your eyes peeled and subscribe to the channel if you want to see when that happens. And turn on the notification bell so you can get my vids all the time. Anyways, so over here from the back, you'll notice that there's like a little bit of a channel right here. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to get your charging cable, face it upwards, and then send it through that slot right there. Okay, I'll show you in a moment what it looks like over here. So if you look at the front of it, the charging cable's right there. You point it upwards like that, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to click this piece down right here. Okay, so you can see it's going through that little piece, and we clicked it down. So now the charger is in there. And on the back end of it, you want to feed it through the channel right there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to feed it through the channel, just like that. And that allows it to stay out of the way when you wall mount this. So I fed it through the channel right there, and it's nice and clean, the look, right? Cable organization is the key. Now that it's mounted on there, when you take your Dyson V11 and you wall mount it, okay, what's going to happen is you're going to be able to wall mount it and the charger will connect. So if I take my V11 and I drop it down, imagine it's wall mounted, you can see the LEDs right there, it's charging. You can take it off and use it. When you want to charge it, you go and you slide it in place, and now you see it's charging. It's literally that simple. That is how to charge your Dyson V11 cordless stick vacuum. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.